Well gone. I'm Marek, and I decided I'm going to start making some build videos. Nothing crazy, just small projects, personal documentation. But if you're there for so well gone, that's great. So I actually got to borrow nice as a DSLR from my cousin. It's a Canon Rebel T6. Yeah, pretty capable. I'm more than enough to get started and to do what I want to do. But the real thing here is this here tripod. I'd actually put this in, but what happens is that this is a little piece. I get that in focus. This is a little piece that would go underneath the camera, and you would rest it in here. But the clip that belongs right here actually broke. I think it crystallized. I'm looking at the state of this torsion spring. I guess it's seen some additional weather and stuff as well. So, well, this video will be about making a new clip to go right and replace this. Alright, so this is actually the clip and the small components that make out that little piece. And if you're wondering, that's what's wrong. Alright, so this is just a piece that would latch onto the section I showed previously. And as you can see, it actually broke around the witness marks, ejected pin witness marks. My hypothesis is that, you know, maybe where the plastic is weakest, it's within that area, and also because of the spring and the constant back and forth, it kind of creates a torque on the middle piece right here. So that, ultimately led to the failure of this part. So really, and all that I'm going to do is just remodel this part in SolidWorks and get the 3D printed version and put it back together.
Mercy.
So it's been a few days. I got the part made on Shapeways, as I currently don't have access to a 3D printer, but it's finally here. It turned out pretty close to the original part. You know, differences seem imperceptible. Just a few slight inconsistencies. I didn't get little knobs on this part. I didn't model them in, but it could have easily been done with a pattern on the surface. Yep, this part is made out of white nylon. So in terms of the wall thickness is pretty good. This is a bit thicker here. This is a bit thin. Right there. The part was made on an SLS machine. And I'd say, yeah, it's pretty accurate. I didn't need to do this nor this, as I don't think this served any structural purpose other than weight and maybe saving on material. Yeah, that's it.
Mercy.
So yeah, it meets the requirement of holding the camera in place. It does so pretty well. It's pretty stable. And all is good in the world. The only review or critique is that it's a bit tight. As you can see, this is there, or maybe we get a different torsion spring, but the surface finish is a bit rough and it's nylon, so over time I do expect it to wear into place or become smoother. But other than that, I'd say this is a success. Well then, innovate, don't procrastinate, and we'll link next time.